Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a nice warm day, unlike I am, as you guys can see. But yeah guys, in today's video obviously I'm going to be installing the strut brace for the front engine bay. But before I do that, I want to show you guys a few things, because this car's actually changed a lot since our last video. I've done a lot of work behind the scenes, and unfortunately I couldn't really record all of it, only because of time, work, and just, yeah, it's quite hard to get everything recorded in a short amount of time. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what's changed, give you guys a little update, starting off with obviously the horns. I painted the horns yellow, and yeah, they look absolutely mad. The yellow is a very nice shade of yellow. It's a shade of, I believe, the Lamborghini Diablo. That's the color option I picked, and it just matched nicely with the gold pipes. So that's the first thing that I've changed. And obviously guys, as you guys can see, we got our fresh private plate on the whip. Here's VVS. It's a mad plate, I'm not gonna lie. I spent 2-3 years looking for the perfect plate, and I finally found the right one for this car. So yeah, here's VVS. I absolutely love it. If you guys don't know what VVS is, you gotta search it up. It's pretty much the highest grade of diamond you can buy. Now if you move to the side of the vehicle, you guys are gonna see a lot has changed. So you guys can probably already tell we've got brand new wheels. We got Rotor GTR D, I believe, and yeah, these things are no joke guys. I mean, you can already tell how wide these things are. These are 10J, I believe, and yeah, they are mental. As you guys can see, it's got a mad dish on it, and yeah, they just look so good, man. Another thing you can already see, I painted the calipers yellow. It matches with the horn, and yeah, I do want to roll the arches a little bit. As you guys can see, the fitment is nearly perfect. It just stick out a little bit, but we're gonna get there, Now moving on to the back, guys, this is where the most has changed. I don't know if you guys can tell. You guys might not be able to tell, but guys, this car is now wide bodied. If I zoom in, this thing is wide bodied. It's got a wide body. This is a genuine Musk over fender. So yeah, this thing looks too clean. It looks too clean. And yeah, fun fact, I bought these over fenders first. And the reason why I bought these wheels was purely because of the over fender, because I needed to fit some wide wheels. I didn't really want to fit some massive spaces. Obviously it's not ideal. So yeah, I opted out for some very nice wide 10J wheels, and now the fitment is absolutely amazing. But my favorite thing about it is just how clean it looks. You can't even tell unless you go close. It looks factory OEM. That's what I love about it so much. And yeah, we've got the same wheels, as you guys can see, painted calipers, and yeah, the fitment is pretty bang on. It's pretty bang on. But I am going to lower the car a bit more on the rear. It is on coilovers, so it is a bit higher at the rear, but that's only because I am dailying the car right now. That's pretty much the exterior, guys. Obviously we've got a private plate at the back as well, and yeah, that's it for the exterior. Now if we head inside, I'll show you guys one thing that I've done. Oh, what's a bit embarrassing. If I hop inside, as you guys can see, the car's very dirty. Don't mind the dirt, but yeah, we've painted the roof black. This thing looks mental now. I absolutely love it. Honestly guys, if you have one of these cars, this is the first thing you gotta do. Genuinely makes a big difference. But yeah, because of the lighting right now, it's not really showing that well, but yeah, as you guys can see, I've painted the roof. It looks absolutely mad. It looks sick. But that's pretty much it. As you guys can also see, if I just hop in, if you zoom in, you guys can see I've also wrapped the pillars in this really nice vinyl. Even on this side, it's a I really love this. Like, genuinely, it looks sick. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys with all of the updates. I know a lot has changed in this car already, but yeah, I've just been so busy guys. It's been quite hard to, you know, record everything and all the work I've done. But don't worry though, some of the stuff I have recorded, like me doing the roof liner, I am going to get a video out on that soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now that I've got all of that covered, we can now actually make a start on getting the strut brace installed. Alright, so I've got the hood popped up, and before I do unbox, actually what I want to do first, I'm going to unbolt these 3 nuts on each strut. And yeah, it's a 30mm socket, so yeah, let's just get these off real quick. But yeah, as you guys can see, this beast is supercharged. If you guys haven't seen this video already, make sure you guys check that out, because this one was a sick one and this car runs like a beast. So we've got a strut bar unboxed. Check out the bag, and yeah, as you guys can see, it's a nice, pretty solid piece of equipment. I mean, it's nothing special, nothing crazy, it's just a normal strut bar. But yeah, hopefully this thing fits. I'll show you guys a bit more details. This is how it looks on the corners. Obviously we got a nice polished metal, stainless steel, whatever you want to call it. The nice bar going across, and then same shit on the other side. But yeah, I bought this off eBay for like 50 quid, so it wasn't too expensive, to be fair, considering, you know, all the other options. But yeah, hopefully it fits nicely. That's the main thing for me, to be honest. I'm not too fast about it. But yeah, it's quite heavy, which is good. It means it's good quality, I hope. But yeah, let's get this thing on. I'm just lining it up right now. So this side fits on pretty much perfectly. I mean, I'll show you guys right now. That thing is simply, it just sits on top just like that, if I can get it in. Yeah, so pretty much like that. Obviously that hose is in the way, but I can lift it up. But the problem for me personally, because obviously my car is supercharged, so this pipe is in the way. So yeah, that's not good. I'll be very honest, it's very not good at all. Yeah, I didn't think about that. I'm gonna have to try and sort something out regarding that. And the second thing, guys, this fuse box is in the way, but that's minor. All 3 bolts, one there, and I think there's one over there as well, just so we can lift it up. I'll show you guys why. If you get this thing, we can't get it in, because obviously that fuse box, it does block it. So yeah, we're gonna remove the bolts from that, lift it up, and then we should get this thing to sit nice and tight. Oh my god. So I removed the 3 bolts. As you guys can see, it's nice and loose now, and I've now managed to fit one of the parts of the brace in. It was a bit tight, but I managed to do it. As you guys can see, it just sit underneath. So yeah, what I want to do now, I want to put the 3 nuts back on. Alright guys, so I managed to figure it out. This was a big issue because basically what was happening, I literally had no space to put this bar in. It was absolutely squishing this pipe over here. But what all I done is pretty easy. I just trimmed off this side of the pipe. That pretty much brought the whole thing down. And yeah, now I've got it to fit nicely. And it's touching a little bit, but that's fine. It's pretty much nothing. But yeah, if you guys are having the same issue, just trim the pipe over there, and then yeah, it should fit nicely. And yeah, now what I'm gonna do now, pretty much, I'm just gonna put the nuts back on both sides. So 3 there and 3 over there. Put the 3 nuts bolted on. So now pretty much the last step is we're gonna bolt this fuse box back down. It's gonna be a little bit difficult because obviously we've got this thing tucked underneath, but I believe it is doable. As you guys can see, it is a bit out of alignment. What is my English, bro? But yeah, let's see if we can try and bolt this thing back in. So we've got the fuse box bolted in. I only managed to get 2 bolted in, but the final one over there, I can't get it bolted in only because it's lifted slightly now. But yeah, the final thing we're gonna do, guys, obviously we're gonna tighten up these bolts over here. So it's a 17, you're gonna need a 17 socket and spanner. So that one there and that thing over there as well. Alright guys, and that is pretty much it. Bro, this thing looks mental. Honestly, I know it's a small thing, but obviously it's got its benefits. But bro, I just like them because they look sick. And obviously with the supercharger and all the gold piping and whatnot, yeah, it looks fat. I like it a lot. And yeah, I already tested it, guys. The bonnet does close with the strut brace. I know some people say it doesn't fit, but yeah, I don't know what was it on, bro. But yeah, man, this is it. It looks pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. It fits very nicely. Well, questionable, but yeah, it looks great. It's pretty good quality. We're gonna see how long it lasts anyways. But yeah, that is it, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, guys. And yeah, that pretty much sums up for this video. Oh man, this thing looks mental, bro. I'm happy. I'm very happy with this. You know what would be cool if this thing was like gold as well? It would match all the piping and shit. You know what, that might be a shout for next time. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Any suggestions, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.